So this is one infographic that I created using a free AI tool, and this design was based on this content from this website. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use free AI tools like Gemini AI and Qwen AI to convert content from an article or blog post or perhaps a document into a great looking infographics in just a few minutes. Now, I'm going to be using the Qwen AI, but this tutorial can also be used on the Gemini AI. So you can navigate to Gemini or you can navigate to Qwen AI. And the reason why I want to use Qwen AI is because right now this model has a slightly better AI model when it comes to creating a picture. For example, this was the design that was created via the Qwen AI model, but the same prompt resulted in this picture in Gemini AI. I'm not saying that the one from Qwen is perfect because I can still notice there are some mistakes in the text. After all, we're still working with an AI image model. Like for example, here there is this text that is not recognizable, but the design is a lot better than the ones from Gemini. And that's why for the rest of this video, I'm going to be using Qwen AI. But if you're quite comfortable using Gemini, then feel free to do so because this tutorial can be applied even on Gemini AI. Now here, I'm going to summarize an article from a website New Atlas. So you can use it on any content, you can use it on a document, video, links, etc. So I will try to use this article. So I'm going to insert this prompt to Qwen AI. Basically, this is the prompt to create a summary of an article. Now I'm going to just copy the link. Again, you can do the same on Gemini AI. So basically, we want to generate a 3 to 6 items list, and it's very concise because again we are working with an AI image model and right now it is just not quite perfect. So we want to keep the number of the amount of text in the picture to be as minimum as possible. So we got this text and this will be inserted into the infographic. Now after that, you can use this AI prompt. Don't worry, I'm going to put all the prompts in the description down below. And again, I'm going to be using the Qwen AI model. So let me just open a new tab, chat.qwen.ai, and just paste the instruction. And now we can insert this text, the summary that was created by the AI model. Just put it down here. And I'm going to enable image generation. And another reason to use the Qwen AI model is it allows you to select the aspect ratio. In Gemini, it's not possible, at least at the moment, even though that feature is kind of trivial, but I'm hoping that in the future, when you are watching this video, there will be an option to select the aspect ratio for the picture. But in the meantime, I'll use the Qwen model. Send a message, and it is actually has a similar performance to the Gemini model. It is very fast, it is free, and the result is pretty good, especially when it comes to text rendering. Okay, we got this picture. Is it perfect? Not really. I think there are a few things that you can notice right away that the design is not quite perfect, but at least I think in some situations the infographic is quite usable, and perhaps this could be used for inspiration or draft to create a proper infographics later using software like Canva or Adobe Illustrator. So that's basically how you can use free AI tools like the Qwen AI and Gemini to create a nice looking infographics in just a few minutes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you around.